TV prices are dropping. And that sounds like good news. Until you realize, this is exactly when most people make the worst buying decisions. Because a lower price doesn't always mean better value. Sometimes, it's a warning sign. Every year, people rush to buy TVs when prices start falling. They think they're getting a deal. But what they don't realize is why those prices are dropping in the first place. In this video, I'm going to break down when a price drop actually means buy now, when it's a trap you'll regret, and how timing alone can completely change your experience. No hype, no fake best deals, just the truth behind TV price drops. And before we finish, I'll show you the one timing mistake that makes people overpay, even when they think they got a discount. When you see a TV drop in price, your brain reacts instantly. This is a good deal. But here's the problem. You're reacting to the discount, not the product. And that shift in focus, that's where mistakes begin. Prices don't drop randomly. They drop because something changed. Usually, a newer model is coming. The current model isn't selling well, or the market is moving away from that category. So when you see a discount, you're not just seeing savings. You're seeing a signal. And if you don't understand that signal, you're not saving money. You're walking into a trap. This is the most common situation. A TV drops in price because it's being replaced. Now you think, same quality, cheaper price. But here's what actually happens. Support fades faster. Software updates slow down. Availability of parts and service drops. At first, everything feels fine. But over time, bugs don't get fixed. Performance doesn't improve. The TV feels outdated faster than expected. So that great deal starts aging the moment you buy it. People think buying during a discount means they timed it right. But timing isn't about price. It's about position in the product cycle. Buying at the wrong time, even at a lower price, can still be a bad decision. You might miss a major improvement in the next release. Buy right before a better option appears. Lock yourself into outdated performance. And now, you didn't just miss a deal. You missed the right moment. Not all price drops are bad. Some are real opportunities, but only if the TV already fits your usage perfectly. The newer model doesn't change your experience significantly. You understand what you're giving up. In this case, you're not chasing a discount. You're confirming a decision. And that's the difference between saving money and feeling like you saved money. Here's the opposite problem. Some people wait endlessly. They keep thinking prices will drop more. And sometimes they do. But here's what happens. Stock runs out. Good options disappear. You're left choosing from what's left. Now instead of choosing wisely, you're choosing quickly. There's a moment most people miss. It's not the lowest price. It's not the newest release. It's the balance point. When prices have stabilized, reviews reflect real-world use. Availability is still strong. This is where you get value without compromise. But here's the problem. This window is short, and most people either jump too early or wait too long. A discounted TV can feel like a smart decision, even when it isn't, because you compare it to its old price, not to what else exists now. So you think, I saved money. But in reality, you just chose the wrong reference point. And that mistake follows you every time you turn the TV on. A small price difference fades quickly, but a compromised experience doesn't. Over time, you forget what you saved, but you keep noticing what's missing. Hook. And this is where most good deals fall apart. Instead of asking, is this cheaper? Ask, is this still the right TV for me right now? Because value isn't about price. It's about alignment. Before buying during a price drop, ask yourself, am I reacting to the discount or choosing the product? Does this still match my usage today? What am I giving up by buying now instead of later? If you can't answer those clearly, you're not ready to buy. If you get this wrong, you won't feel it immediately, but over time, you'll see better options appear. You'll feel like you bought too early or too late, and that quiet regret is what most people call a bad deal. If you want to time your TV purchase the right way, subscribe, because the next video breaks down exactly when to buy throughout the year so you never second-guess your decision. Here's the truth about price drops. They don't tell you what to buy. They test whether you understand why you're buying. Because the best deal isn't the lowest price. It's the moment you buy the right TV and never think about it again.